Hey Kickstarter, you might remember us from our successful past projects. This year, we are back with a product that combines all of our past projects into one single upgraded design. Introducing our newest creation, Foldio360 Smart Dome. The simplest way to create 360 product photography. The Foldio360 Smart Dome broke away from the traditional cube shape and was newly designed in the shape of a dome. With this new shape, your photos will no longer have shadows and unwanted reflections. Adaptable, time-saving, and compatible. This newly designed dome structure gives photographers an infinite white background with uniform light. And our dome even comes with a built-in mechanical turntable. Just mount your smartphone on the detachable ball head and connect it wirelessly with the Foldio dome. Close the lid, tap to focus, and hit go. The custom object centering lights let you know the exact right location for your 360 photos. The internal LED light settings can easily be adjusted to fit your product shape and color. Just look at what variable color temperature can do. We even made magnetic interchangeable covers, designed so that you can block outside reflections and shoot from any angle. And if you want to shoot your products from the same angle, use the detachable ball head to stabilize your smartphone. Control and take automatic 360 photos with your smartphone, DSLR, or PC. And on your PC, you can use our PC 360 software to save you time with direct photo transferring and batch editing. Here at Orange Monkey, our mission since 2014 is to bring professional photography quality to all people. Whether you're a small shop commerce owner or a large corporate owner, our products are built with you in mind. Create the world's finest images, 360 GIFs, videos, and interactive images effortlessly. Foldio360 Smart Dome. Expand your creativity.